Hello for Uber Black.
Hi, yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome on in. How's your day going?
Pretty good, how was yours?
Yeah, it's a little boring. Just driving Uber all day long.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
I can imagine.
Just waiting for something exciting to happen.
Well, you know what, actually?
What?
There's this party that you're dropping me off at right now.
Oh, we're going to, I'm taking you to a party?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
That'll be so exciting for you.
The thing is, I just don't know anyone there. Like, I was invited by my friend, but she ended up not being able to come.
Oh, that's the worst.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go anymore or what?
No, I do. Like, I want to be out there and socialize and mingle and all that. But
Oh, you should go. You sound very talkative. I think you'd be great.
yeah, I don't know. I'm not really comfortable, like, somewhere in, like, a big space of people where I don't know them, you know, without somebody that I know.
Yeah, I feel
that's
that.
there with me.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah, did you, like, maybe want to go with me?
Well, I have to take you, so.
Yeah, like, did you want to come inside with me, like, my +1?
To the party?
Yeah. I know this is, like, so random, but, like, it would be fun.
I mean, it's not like a pool party because it's like 12.
No, yeah, it'll just be like some drinking, some friends, you know.
Oh, I'm sober.
Meeting some
I'm
people.
sober. That's the thing.
Well, that's okay. You don't have to drink.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I mean, it'll be fun.
You mean you just want to go as friends, right?
I mean, it could turn into more than that.
Are you serious?
I mean, we have to go find out at this party.
You're
right?
like way out of my league, though.
I wouldn't say.
Really?
I mean, you're like my type, so.
Your type is an Uber driver
I mean,
who lives with his mom still?
not an Uber driver, but I mean,
You
you're
like
close enough, right? To my type.
yeah, you like the glasses, the nerdy type.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. I mean, gosh, my mom would not believe me if I told her this.
It's okay. We'll give her a call.
So
It'll be
you
so
really
much
want to
fun.
go to a pool party with your Uber driver?
Yes, it'll be so much fun. You have to. Just pause it for a little bit and we'll go in.
We barely know each other. That's the thing.
So?
I mean, how do you know? How do you trust me?
I guess you could only hope for the best, right? How do you trust me?
That's where I'm a little, you know, I'm still working on it.
It's just a party. If you're not having fun, you could leave in like 20 minutes.
That is true. That is true. So.
What's the worst that could
Oh
happen?
my gosh, is that the house up there?
Yeah.
Is there like?
Look at how many people.
There's.
It'll be so much fun.
I don't see any guys. It's like 80 girls, and they're all wearing their freaking bikinis. What the heck?
Come on.
Are you serious?
I'm so serious.
Okay.
So you down?
Yeah. Do you
right.
mind if I bring my camera in? Because I'm filming this for TikTok.
No, I don't mind.
Okay. Because maybe I can post part 2 for the
Yeah.
part in the
No, yeah,
party.
totally.
Okay. All right, let's go.
I'm down. Let's go.
All right.